Welcome to your relaxation time. You have set this time aside just for yourself to improve your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. This is your time today to focus on yourself. For today's relaxation exercise, we're going to try auditory relaxation. We're going to listen to sounds of nature from the North American region, and we're going to relax as we hear these comforting sounds. To begin this exercise, find yourself a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting in a chair. Stretch your legs out in front of you, relax them. Put your arms down on the armrests or by your sides. Relax them. Open your hands. No clenching of the hands, fists, or fingers. Move your neck and head around until they're comfortable. Find yourself that nice position where you can forget about your body because it's completely comfortable. Make sure that the floor you're on or the chair that you're sitting in is completely supporting your body. Don't put any tension or pressure into supporting your posture or supporting yourself. Let the surface you're on carry your weight and do all the work. Once you've found this position, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And let's settle into listening to sounds of nature to help us relax. We will begin our nature journey by sitting by an imaginary brook and listening to the water happily flowing over the rocks without a care in the world. As we listen to the sound, we'll let our cares drift away as well, and just listen to the sound of water flowing as it goes by us. You decide to move a little further downstream where the birds are chirping happily. You enjoy listening to the sound of these birds as they sing without a care in the world. You also notice that the water begins to move a little faster, and you enjoy listening to that sound. As you begin to move away from the sound of the water, you hear another mesmerizing and relaxing sound. It's a sound of frogs croaking in the wet areas around where you were sitting. You hear two different kinds and you enjoy the sounds of both of them. You continue your relaxing walk through the woods. The water is on one side of you, rustling gently, and you hear it. You also hear the sound of different wildlife. You hear crickets chirping, birds, and then an occasional crow that gets scared as you walk by. You're having such a relaxing, peaceful walk without a care in the world. As you reach a comfortable shelter where there's a roof over your head and a nice place to sit, a gentle thunderstorm rolls in. You hear the rain falling and hitting the ground, and some gentle rolling thunder in the distance. You sit and relax and breathe in the fresh air that comes in with the storm and enjoy the sound of the rain. Now the rain has ended, and you begin to walk toward home. You've enjoyed your time relaxing in the sounds of nature. You found it refreshing and peaceful. And as you get up and begin your journey home, you hear the sound of wind chimes blowing faintly in the wind. As the relaxing sounds of nature fade away, it's time to wake up and join the world. Begin by slowly moving your arms and hands, just gently to wake them up. Move around your body a little bit. Feel it again and notice it again. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, relax for a minute before you sit up and join the world.